Hi, I'm Bethany Noto of Notaro Epstein Family Law Group. I'm a Pennsylvania family law attorney, and any information I give here is just my opinion, and it's not meant to advise you in any way. So the question I've received is child support mandatory? This is kind of a tricky question because it could mean a few things. So the first is, do I have to pay child support through the system? Let's say someone does owe child support and they know it, and they agree on a certain amount with the other parent. There's absolutely nothing wrong with paying that person an amount you both think is fair, assuming it was never filed for through the system. In our office, we call this direct pay. Now, let's say that one person isn't happy with that amount anymore and the parents can't figure out the right amount. They have a few choices. They can hire a mediator. I'm a mediator who can help them run numbers and figure out a fair solution, then write up that understanding and go along their merry way without involving the court. They can also file for child support in the court system. The court makes it pretty easy because PA has the filing paperwork all online. Once it's filed for, a court date gets scheduled and the court has to decide the right amount. Then an order happens, and usually the court takes the right amount out of the payer's paycheck, whether they like it or not. Paying or not paying is not an option. It's one of those rare payments where if you don't make it, you could ultimately end up in jail. Another way to look at the question is, based on my circumstances, do I have to pay child support? First of all, not being able to afford it is usually not one of those circumstances. The circumstances I'm talking about are, what if we share overnight custody? Do I still have to pay? The easy answer is yes, if you make more than the other person and if they actually request it. What if you have less custody than the other person, but you also make less than they do? Well, guess what? The person with less custody or overnights almost always has to pay it if the other person requests it. I hope this is a good explanation. Again, I'm Bethany Noto, and I've been practicing family law all over Western Pennsylvania for the past 25 years. I'm the managing partner at my firm, and the important responsibility of making sure our clients are happy and treated well is mine. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for listening.